Hello, there is a new player in the collaboration game, the viewer role. Whether you're working with clients, stakeholders, or team members who just need to peek into your designs, this role is a game changer. So what's the deal with the viewer role? It's perfect for anyone who needs to view your amazing designs, comment on specific elements, and inspect files for precise handoff details. But here's the kicker. They won't be able to edit files or mess with your team settings. You stay in control and they get exactly what they need. Assign the viewer role is super easy. Just head over to your team settings, pick the member you want and select viewer and boom. Also, you can invite them using their emails and selecting viewer when you are creating the invitation. It's perfect for keeping, your design safe while still enable collaboration. Okay, so now I'm joining the file as a viewer, and as you can see, the interface change. I have here in the right sidebar the inspect column, no more design options, and I can click and inspect elements but can't move things around or mess with the design stuff or even rename things, right? Viewers can drop comments directly on your designs, so whether it's feedback, approvals, or questions, everything stays organized and in context. So that's the new viewer role. Ready to give it a try? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more Penpot updates. Until next time, take care.